Okay, I have my new to me car, 2010 Ford Escape, and this is basically my kid's car. And she was driving around, and check engine light came on. I put the my little reader on there, and it said p0456, which is the evap valve or whatever it is. This, oh, can't see that too good. This thing right here, this hose goes into, and this plug goes into. Supposedly, it's not. So it's not doing what it's supposed to do. The way to check it is when it's running. When it's running, oh, where's that? You take this hose off. It's got two little clips on either side. You got to push those in and pull this off, and you could check for suction when it's running. Okay, if it sucks, it's okay, it's good ish. But if you unplug this, unplug the controller here, and you still have suction, it's bad, which is what happened here. This is bad. I ran down to O'Reilly's and got a new one, and I'm gonna put it in. I gotta see what size bolt. Okay, so I do this little trick. I press on the bolt to get a little imprint on my finger. Now I can see which one it is. That looks pretty close. I'm gonna grab this one and this next size up. Actually, there's not enough room, so this is a 5/16 and well, 9/32. Probably not that. It's probably actually metric, but I'm gonna get a 5/16 7. It's in here somewhere. I'm sure of it. There, it looks like one. Ooh, an 8. Ooh. That looks like they're about the same. 8 to 5/16. Okay, so here's the new part. I got it from O'Reilly's, made in Mexico. Very nice. CP597 from Standard. So this is all it is. It's in there like that, into the side of the intake. Got two bolts holding it in. Plug and the air hose or air line. So yeah, let's see if I can get this off here. Lefty loosey. Oh no! Party foul. Alright, well, I gotta go looking for that. Alright, so we get this plug off. It's got a little tab push on. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And again, I already tested this. And I know that that thing still has vacuum when this is unplugged. So on these, it's kind of hard to get to. The clips are in a weird spot, so you kind of have to, or I have to, twist, push, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. There it goes. And that's out. Alright, now I can get to them bolts a little easier. All that stuff out of the way. Ugh. My hands are too big for this. In a bigger vehicle. More room. A big old truck with a straight six. Plenty of room for everything. That's what I need. So I guess the plunger or whatever inside of there goes bad. So let's verify that I got the correct here. p0456 GF13 says the same. Assembly in Mexico. Oh, this been replaced before? Oh no. This one says FOMOCO and this one had it scratched off. Probably the same, but they scratched the numbers off. Stock replacement. Alright, so I'm going to start it up, leave this hose off for now, start it up, and check to make sure this isn't sucking. And if it ain't, good. So I got it running. Oh yeah, no vacuum at all right here, nothing. Just plug this in, see what happens. Hear that? Vacuum. Let's put this hose back on and we should be good to go. Bam. Complete.